To make a hand, the first thing to do is to add a cube and then scale it down to this. Okay, after that, press 1 to go to the face select. Press A to select all and add 3 loop cuts. After that, press A again and add subdivision surface modifier. Turn towards the right like this and select the face and delete. Then go to the press 1 to go to the face mode, and then turn on the proportional editing like this, and then to scale down so that it will now look like normal fingers. After that, select the edges of all the first loop cut that you gave and then increase it to 2 so that it will now be 3 on each. After that, go into the object mode and then Shift D to duplicate up to 4 fingers, and then shape the fingers to become like your normal fingers. Okay, hold Shift and select everything and then press Ctrl J. Then go back to edit mode. Then select all the edges, all the vertices of the inner fingers. Press M and merge at center. Alright, after merging at center, go to the edge select all the edges of where you have merged and then extrude 2 times. Extrude towards the x-axis. Then select all the edges and scale down to form the wrist, the edge of the wrist. After that, select this face and then go to extrude to cursor so that you extrude the thumb. Continue exploring until you're done extruding your thumb, and then add loop cuts just the way you added to the other one. Also put on your proportional editing to also get the shape of the fingers, and continue to scale until you like how the finger is. When you're happy with that, then you can select the edges of the wrist again and then extrude towards the x-axis and check the shape of the fingers. If you're okay with that, then you are done. Also use the same process for the feet.